2022 6.4 liter HEMI. This is what it sounds like before. Go ahead. Very, very quiet again. This is what the sound decibels. Go ahead. Again. Right at 93. One more. So we'll let you guys hear it after. All right, guys. So we showed you what it looked like before and sounded before. 2022 POWERWAGON 6.4 HEMI, liters of power. What is it, Jared? HEMI, not the power. HEMI power. Come on, man. Say it from like in here. Jeez. Anyways, what we got done on it, factory converter there, the other converter's down there. It's only got 35 miles on it. He drove it from the dealer to us. 3-inch pipe, then we ran some more 3-inch pipe, deleted the muffler, as you guys can see right there. Then 3-inch out the back, left the resonator on it there. He'll probably get it, come back and take that off next and put some, probably a 5-inch tip on it or something. We'll see. There's the old muffler that was on it. That thing is gigantic. He just lost 100 pounds worth of weight just by taking this damn muffler off. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, comment, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. POWERWAGON, baby. And we will appreciate his service. Go ahead. Not bad at all. Here's sound decibels. 110. Again? Wow, 112. That's loud, bro. Go ahead and back it out. Yeah, that's annoying. They come standard with that?
They made a mistake and ordered it like that. So now I gotta fix
it. Man, they're sick. I like it. POWERWAGON, just a muffler delete. Bring it back. We need to take the resonator off. '22 Ram POWERWAGON muffler delete. He's gonna bring it back and we're gonna do a resonator delete. Let's tell little help box. Nice. We showed you guys round one of the Ram 6.4 liter POWERWAGON when we did just the muffler delete. Now this is a muffler and resonator delete. So it's still got the factory converters there and there. Then it winds into a single 3.5-inch pipe. We replaced the muffler with 3-inch pipe. Still got the factory tailpipe, and then we also replaced the resonator with a pipe there. So muffler delete, resonator delete, and left the original pipe. We tucked it up for him. It looks a lot better, a lot cleaner. There's the resonator that was on it that we cut off, and there's the muffler over there we cut off. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. All right, guys, round two. Ram POWERWAGON 6.4 liter. Now it has a muffler and resonator delete. This is what it sounds like. Go ahead. There we go. Decibels. 113. It hit 114 this is in neutral, guys. He's gonna put it and rev it. Let's see if it takes the rev limiter away. Go ahead. Yeah, it changes the sound. You hear that? It's a lot deeper. Yeah, it's nicer. I like it like this. I'm glad he took the resonator off too. It sounds so much better. We'll let you guys hear it on the inside now. POWERWAGON HEMI, muffler and resonator deletes, and it's got the backup sound. You know, it's gonna be a tractor trailer one day. Exhaust statics, baby. See, I'm backing up. Beep, beep. Yeah.
2018 Ram 2500, the 6.4 Hemi Power Wagon. Beast, it's huge. So what we got done on it is we get the factory converter there, and the other one is there. And then we put a vibrant ultra quiet resonator on it and ran it into 3-inch tailpipe all the way out into a tip. 3-inch tailpipe all the way out to the side. Black, I think it's 4-inch rolled tip. It's real clean, real nice. The black tip really sets off the color scheme. We'll let you guys hear it. Remember, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. That's the old one we cut off. I think that's a 40. It's either 40 or 50. I'm not quite sure. Not bad. Again. 113. Peaked at. Not bad. Not too bad. We'll let you guys hear it on the inside.
'21 Ram 3500 6.4 liter Hemi. Big truck, big and blue. What we got done on it, it's got stock converters right there and right there. Wise into a single, into 3-inch pipe. And what we did, he watched our videos and he liked the Dynamax race bullet. So he bought his own off the link in the description, had us install it. Put some extra piping right there because the muffler was huge, so we had to compensate for it. And he left his stock resonator and stock tailpipe. He might come back later for a tip. He hasn't decided yet. Came all the way down from Mississippi, so we appreciate it, brother. Thank you. There's the old muffler right there. It's a big sucker, as you guys can see. As always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Oh. Yes, sir. That's mean. hear it on the inside. Ram 3500, 6.4 liter Hemi. That's a big truck right there. Big and blue. All right. Enjoy, guys.
2022 or Hemi 6.4 wagon Ram. Really beautiful truck. We done straight pipes on it earlier. He came back. He didn't like the sound too much. He wanted it changed up. So we changed it up for him. Let him watch some more videos. I got factory converter there and there. Then it winds into a single 3.5 inch. Then what we did is added a Flowmaster Outlaw. Part number 15430 right there. There'll be a link in the description. It is the longer one. It's not the S. You get a little bit more tone. And then 3-inch pipe. Did a resonator delete on it also. And ran a 5-inch black tip out the back right there to clean up the sound and give it a better looking presence, you would say, right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Ram Power Wagon 6.4 Hemi. Go ahead. Your sound decibels. 114. Let it idle. Now it sounds like a truck. Yeah, I needed that. You're right. You got the ear, man. Yeah, that's nice. I like it. And Power Wagon 6.4 Beast. Let you guys hear on the inside. Now, guys, he has the American flag on top. That's so cool. That's in the camera. That's awesome. Camera in camera. Ram Hemi Flowmaster Outlaw 5-inch black tip. No more straight pipe. We did a straight pipe before. He felt like it wasn't enough, so we added the Outlaw. Now it sounds a lot better. Wow, that sounds really nice.